Texas, eastern Montague County in north central Texas, until 5 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles northwest of Forestburg, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near the Kona around 4 p.m. St. Joe around 4:05 p.m. 4:15 p.m. Roberts Park, Johnson Branch around 4:20 p.m. Lindsay around 4:25 p.m. Gainesville around 4:30 p.m. This will impact the district.